A boy's always got to be destructive in some way, form or shape. Not that I can talk. Obviously, don't do it as much when you grow up. Although if you gave me an axe right now, I would chop down a tree, even though probably that won't go down too well for all me tree huggers. Not that I would do it, you know what I mean? I wouldn't, but... Yeah, so when I looked out the window this morning, I could see the next door neighbour's trees like blowing, bending in the wind. And I thought, oh, might just catch a bit of wind, bring the kites just in case, but it ain't happening. I can see he's already seen this, and he's looking forward to it. Come on then. Not yet, Ethan. Sandy, don't go too far. Come over here now. Come towards me. That's it, yeah. Because that is going to be... Sandy, go back, please. Go back now, because that's going to be too deep for your wellies, and then you're going to have, like, it's going to go straight into your wellies. Good boy. You chose the wiser option. Thing is, sometimes you can get stuck in there, then you'll fall forward, and then that's it. It's game over. You're drenched. I can see that because you've got it all over you. Look. Climb up what? Climb up that tree? I don't think those branches will hold my weight, mate. Go on then, you try then, if you reckon you can do it.
That might be cheap.
Son, there's a perfectly good walk path there. You saw a what? It's sunny. Come on then, you can walk for that one. Keep going then.